Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to contact support in Pokemon Go. To contact support in Pokemon Go, launch the Pokemon Go application open on your device and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page, tap on the Pokeball at the bottom center of the screen. Click on Settings at the top right corner, and then you will see a help button at the top right corner inside the settings menu. Tap on that, and then you will come across this supports page. You can go ahead and scroll through the frequently asked questions or popular articles, which can also solve your problems. If you don't find the answer for your issue there, you can tap on the Chat with Us button at the bottom of the screen. Now, go ahead and tap on New Conversation and pick the topic that best suits your issue. After choosing one of the topics, you will get related answers or help from the support chat. And that's how you can easily get in touch with Pokemon Go's support team whenever you face issue. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.